guys! Today I want to share with you some behind the scenes from my Halloween photoshoot. Me and the makeup artist love to create looks for Halloween. This look was inspired by the movie The Mummy. You can find the model and the makeup artist's Instagrams in the description. Halloween makeup takes a lot of time, so we shot just one look. But I really want to make the photos a bit different, so I used 3 different light setups. The first one is a single softbox at a 45-degree angle. This is one of the most popular lights setups for shooting portraits. The second one is a beauty dish with a grid in front and the softbox behind the model, again at a 45-degree angle. I put the softbox behind her to light up her hair. For the third look, I turned the softbox off and shot only with the beauty dish. You can tell me in the comments which of the 3 light setups you like the best. That's it for this photoshoot, guys. Like and subscribe for more behind the scenes videos. Bye!